Manipur Technical University, Government of Manipur amadi All Manipur Working Journalists Union ga punna khutsamnaduna Manipur Technical University gi matangda nongmagi oiba media sensitization gi thoram ama ngasi Manipur Press Club ke Loktak Hall da pangthokre thoramaduda Manipur Technical University gi Register MCS Ramananda Nomikapam AGM gi President Khogendra Khomdram amadi Amzo gi President Asem Vakta Singna atoiba mithunglen oina saru yakibaga loinana Manipur Technical University ki Register MCS Ramananda Nomai Kapamna Fongdorakpada Manipur State asi Senmitlon da yamna hanthaba fibam amada leirasu mahiroi kayana atopa state lairiba private engineering college singda mahi tamnaba chaliba asi matau karamna hantahannabagi pandam amada Manipur da Technical University lei haiba si miyamda khanghanba pami haina fongdokki maana makha taraduna Seldi ningthina leitaba dubu engineering di tamningba mahiroi singna state asida leiriba Manipur Technical University da laktuna makoibu afaba mahiroi amama oinaba semba pami haina fongdokki
Manipur gi oina Technical University amakhtane leis and that is Manipur Technical University MTY 2016 da kiba aduma makalgi University ni nasigi apoina Manipur Technical University sta apoina hangjariba kogi program singse hujip kogi leiriba BTech haitare Bachelor of Technology BTech ki koi program manga ni apoina hangjabasi kogi Civil Engineering Mechanical Engineering Computer Science Electrical adu Electronics and Communication Engineering some ECE haida so khangnaba kogi course program haitare adagi PG ki course ta haitare stena kogi MBA ki program se koi Hanjai Manipur Technical University lay hai base mayam khangna tam mayam yaw haitar koi Manipur but Manipur si koi particularly koi maitai haitar majority of the say maitai community haitar stage da koi engineering pam base engineering ja so emati pam engineering students si Manipur ki mapan lamda particularly Manipur ki mapan da liba private engineering college natraga 12 ki exams da satra sahi da lising kunthram ko pass taw base masigi manung da aina khanmada at least satra lising ani di engineering tamam bane khalle sigi chapchapa figure like tragasu aina sum research tawsa bada ai sata lising ani di soitana sahi khudingi engineering tamba chalang bane khalle